Imagine opening your phone in the middle of the week, staring at a nearly empty balance, and wishing payday would just hurry up. Cash advance apps promise to bridge that gap, but not all of them work the same way. One of the most talked about names in 2025 is Clover, an app that offers quick access to a portion of your paycheck without charging mandatory fees. Sounds simple, right? But the details behind how Clover actually works reveal a mix of convenience, trade-offs, and a few hidden corners you need to know before you tap that advance button. Welcome back to Loan Radar, your home for breaking down financial tools in a way that's easy, honest, and actually useful. Now let's unpack how Clover advances really work. Clover gives you access to a small portion of your paycheck, usually anywhere between $5 and $200. Some users can unlock higher advance amounts through Clover's Points program, where scanning receipts, watching ads, answering surveys, and completing tasks earn points that can boost your maximum limit up to $300. It feels a bit like turning tiny daily actions into borrowing power, though the rewards don't always equal large loan amounts. Once approved, the advance arrives in your checking account. If you choose the standard option, it can take up to 3 business days for the cash to land. If you're in a hurry, Clover offers fast funding that delivers the money within a few hours, but this speed comes with a fee. The fast funding fee ranges from $1.49 to nearly $20, depending on how much you're borrowing. You can even use Clover points to cover this fee, which helps, but still means time or money is always involved. Repayment is automatic and tied to your next payday. The app will withdraw the advance amount, plus any fees or tips you choose to give, straight from your linked account. If something unexpected happens and you need more time, Clover lets you reschedule your payment once a month. You just need to contact support at least 2 business days in advance and hope they approve the request. The entire system is built to keep your borrowing cycle short, which can help avoid long-term debt, but also makes timing incredibly important. To use Clover, you need to meet very specific requirements. You must be physically in the United States, have a checking account that's been active and in good standing for at least 90 days, and show at least 3 direct deposits from the same employer within the last 60 days. Those deposits need to be weekly or bi-weekly, and your name must match exactly. If you don't meet the full list, the app might still offer a tiny $5 advance, but anything substantial depends on your income rhythm being crystal clear. There's also Clover Plus, an optional subscription for $4.99 a month. It adds perks like credit monitoring and bill tracking, and many users are automatically enrolled in a free 30-day trial when they first join. If you don't want the subscription, you need to cancel it inside the app before the trial ends, or you'll see the charge appear on your statement before you realize what happened. So should you use Clover? It depends on what you value. The strongest part of the app is that there are no mandatory fees. You can get access to your own paycheck with zero cost if you're willing to wait the standard funding time. Clover also accepts external bank accounts, which means you don't need to switch banks or open a new account like some competitors require. And the stronger eligibility requirements actually protect you by making sure the advance you receive is an amount you can realistically repay on your upcoming payday. But the weaknesses matter too. Clover only offers small advances. Even with the point system, the maximum is around $300, which won't cover larger emergencies. The app also requests tips, and while they're optional, they increase your actual cost, and financial experts recommend avoiding them. Another limitation is customer support. With only email and AI chat, getting help quickly can be a challenge, especially if money is on the line, and you prefer speaking to a real human being. Clover is ultimately a tool for people who need a small, short-term boost without taking on traditional debt or paying high-interest fees. It's simple, but its limitations mean it's not right for everyone. Whether you choose Clover, another cash advance app, or a safer alternative like budgeting tools or employer-based early pay programs, the goal is always the same: getting through the gap between paychecks without sinking into deeper financial stress. If this breakdown helped you understand whether Clover fits your situation, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Loan Radar for more clear and honest breakdowns of the financial tools shaping your money decisions.